I'm the practicing artist, but I also have a name. My name is Chris Pettit, and you may have seen my videos over the last 2 to 3 years where I demonstrate my watercolor process. I show you how I do these watercolor paintings and the final product when it's done, but I've never told you my name. So now you'll know me as the practicing artist, Chris Pettit. I have a lot of things to share with you about painting, art, being a creative person. You'll learn how to mix paint, maybe successfully, maybe not. You'll learn how I go about doing these vibrant watercolors, and also you'll learn a little bit about practice and drawing, and maybe a tour or two of my studio. So, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is The Practicing Artist, and my name is really Chris Pettit. Thanks so much for watching.